Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set caller ID announcement in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, go to call button here and go to these three vertical dots and click on settings here, and here select caller ID announcement and click on announce caller ID, and it is already set to never. That means caller ID announcement will not be enabled. If you would like to enable caller ID announcement, click on always. Okay, if you choose second option only when using headset, that means if you are using Bluetooth headset or any other wired headset, then only caller ID announcement will be done. On all other all other state, it will not announce caller ID. Okay, so without using headphone, you will not get caller ID announcement. Okay, so if you would like to use caller ID announcement, always click on the first option. Then if you receive any caller ID will be read, that is name of the caller will be read out aloud. Okay, see here, I am going to check it now. So I am making a call from another number.
Voice call from the right ring on Sim 2.
See here, it told that incoming call from Thurai Prince.
Incoming voice call from the right ring on Sim 2.
Incoming voice call from Thurai Prince. That's what it is read. Okay. So in this way, you can easily enable caller ID announcement in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.